can't get a pussy dog if you not die. Can't get a pussy dog if you want science. Tell her from the pussy brawling upon the giant. Babe, and she said the broad rims pon.
What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco, and I'm back with another hit and a smash and a you see me, you don't know what time it is today. You don't know, it's different a bit, not switching up to, you know, kind of reaction to I'm actually doing a mukbang, you feel me? Yeah, so I'm just do a mukbang, chill back, you know, play some vibes and just keep this man talking. So I say, what's the point? Oh yeah guys, today mukbang, I got, of course, when I yard is some of that Jamaican food, you feel me? Yeah, that's some Jamaican food. And you know, normally I don't get this. Usually I get like fried chicken, oxtail, curry, you know. But today I've been eating drinking, but I've been eating that a lot, so I was like, you know, get some difference. So yeah, actually got, you know, some. Let's see if we can focus. Some curry chicken. That's what I'm saying, man. Yeah, man. Curry chicken and white rice. Don't know what to say. Actually, rice and peas. Yo, I do. But curry chicken, rice and peas. You see me? Because they appeal and all that vibes. You see me? Yeah, man. So what's up with y'all? How y'all been? What's going on, man? How's everything? Y'all getting back to life? Okay. Is Corona right on the rise where you living or what? You know, let me know in the comment section and live premiere for who's watching this premiere. Now we'll be in the premieres on my videos. So if anybody want to talk to me and interact, that'll be the best time. I'll just respond to you right away because I'm being a premiere most of the time. Yeah. But I don't know what's that, guys. I've just been chilling, working, you know, making videos, trying to find ways to improve my videos, you know? Improve my videos, improve the content, you know, trying to get better. Be more entertaining. I got some crazy stuff planned. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it tonight. I got some crazy stuff I wanna do. Yeah, man, for love of entertainment, you know, for love of YouTube, you know. I'm doing it and having fun. If there's anybody out there that like wanna collab or anything like that, definitely reach out to me. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, same thing, Jambisco. Yeah. And yeah. You know, if you're still watching this video and you haven't subscribed and you haven't done this, then please go ahead and smash that like button. You see me? Beat it up, thump it up, kick it up. You see me? Whatever you have to do. Jump around, jump in the neck, boom. You see me? I say, whatever you have to do, body slam it, boom. You see me? I say, and do steam to the below subscribe button. You see me? You can't even shoot the subscribe button. I don't know when you want to drop a bump on the subscribe button. What you want to do? You see me? I say, but go ahead, smash the subscribe button or share and, you know, comment. You see me? You see me? Subscribe, definitely. So, this is the latest channel. This is going to be the latest channel. Trust me, I'm about to turn up. You're going to see me doing some crazy stuff like you won't see no YouTube. I'm still going to do my reaction. So when I do my videos, let me know if you want videos do strictly music on the channel and then do the rest of my videos on a different channel. I'm still going to do my music reactions, you feel me? But I'm going to drop banger reactions and some banger beat videos. You feel me? And I got a reaction coming up right after this. The other one just dropped a song called, I believe it's called what? Snapchat, or Pretty Pan Snap. I think that's a Pretty Pan Snap, or Pan Snap. There's a video coming up right after this. Let me see, check it out. Be sure. I haven't heard it, man. He previewed it on Instagram, on YouTube. So we're gonna react to it. It's called Pretty Pan Snap. Yeah, that one, Pretty Pan Snap. I'm gonna drop it. Dropped a little long ago. 2 hours ago? Yeah, it's like 27K views already. So, yeah. I'm gonna drop that next. So, look up for that reaction coming up right after this. So, yes, guys. You know, this is a short mukbang. You know, bang is coming. You know, more reactions coming. Gonna get later and later. You know, when this everything is up, we can go out again. You're gonna see I'm getting back fresh. You know, this is not normal. Yeah, I'm a little rough. You know, see, man, turn up. So, just appreciate the love and support so far. You guys are the best. You know, I just started. You guys showing my love. I appreciate it. Really appreciate the feedback. Trust me, banger coming. Bangers are coming. Dope is. Nobody, no Jamaicans don't do like Jamaicans. Trust me. No Jamaican won't do YouTube like I'm the best. I'm gonna be the best YouTuber. Best Jamaican YouTuber, best YouTuber, period. I'm coming to Puta Pie and all that. It's not even about money, it's just for the love and see who can make like best content possible, you know? Yeah. So, try to get started now. I love doing reactions too. Don't think I'm gonna stop reacting. I'm gonna stop reacting. I'm gonna drop some different videos every now and then. Some different videos every now and then, you know, stay lit. So. I have more time with it. Anything else? Something to talk about? No, man. I was going to do this quick little MUKBANG. You know, talk to y'all, chop it up. Y'all don't forget to chop it up when you don't forget to contact me. You know, this is boy Jambisco. I was here and smashing out right here. Love you guys. I'm out. This is my first MUKBANG. So let me know how I did with my first MUKBANG. You feel me? And if you let me know if you like, don't worry, I made them longer. But just for my first time, I just want to make it short. Just a little. But you don't know it's about Jambisco. Love you guys. Stay safe. Until next time.